Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to disable the lock screen in Windows 11 in a very easy way. So let's get started. So firstly, press Windows plus R to open Run. Here you will type REG Registry Edit, then press Enter, then press Yes. Now go to this location, computer slash H key local machine. Now in this, click on software. There, scroll down and look for policies. Here it is. Expand it. In policies, go for Microsoft. In Microsoft, go for Windows. Here it is. Now right click on the Windows folder, then click on New, then click on Key, name it as Personalization, press Enter. Now open the Personalization folder, right click on the empty area, then click New, DW 32-bit value, name it as No Lock Screen. Now double click on it, change the value to 1, click OK. Now restart your PC. You will see that your lock screen will be easily disabled. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and thanks for watching.